attack.
Yeah, anything. You got to use it.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Max range is spellbinders if you're caster, guys. Yeah. They hurt a lot.
We can see them. Bring them together, maybe, so we can AoE. Come on, melee. I wanna see 3-4k DPS.
We're trying,
Not yet,
bro.
not yet.
No,
Oh,
on this
that's
three.
something that paladins really miss. Something to hit 2 targets at once.
Yeah. But look at the rogue.
Yeah, it's something like rogue.
Blade Flurry, yeah.
Gotta go for boss already.
Yeah.
A warrior has it, a rogue has it. They forgot about fucking paladin.
My banishment.
Okay, misdirection Akari, spread around the room.
No, we keep misdirect on after whirlwind, so watch your trap.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't forget totem, Domi. When demon.
That time is off.
It's always off.
Looking for Zankari at the bottom. I'm out of range of your totems. Come on, can you see stuff?
New whirlwind soon.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
He's probably gonna switch to demon form anytime soon.
Okay,
Zankar.
don't stand to green, don't stand to green. Then facing 5. Okay, don't attack, but in position.
Totem, please. Thank you.
Okay. Freddy's still on the top.
Okay,
Freddy's
okay.
on the top.
This
Okay.
is fine now.
See
Pop
this?
Bloodlust.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, you got demon.
Yep.
Yeah.
Of course you support
Two
this.
set. That's like 2 8k crits, I'll do.
You get what you deserve, Frieza.
Your own demon.
Actually, I bombed Arcane Blast, no crit.
Run away, little girl. Watch it. Run away.
Lol.
Jugs just got mugged.
Not wrong.
That is BS, man.
Univert freeze on those, please.
I'm good. Freeze out. How long can you do me? I'm behind you. Thank you.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
Awesome, can you Univert freeze it?
I'm balanced.
I've tried, you give me.
Elangian, move a bit more.
Fear has
Which Eldon for Bloodlust if you need?
Yep.
Yeah, put it in the mages.
Yeah, give it to us.
We
Okay.
can't,
Do it then.
Come on.
Your pet can taunt it.
What have you done? I am the master. Do you hear me?
No, can't kill it.
It's okay.
Oh, it's still going down, I don't know.
It's the last phase. So
Move away from green.
Pumping him, Kai, I didn't know that.
No, by world. Never mind, apparently I'm immortal.